US company Diversey, one of the world's leading global hygiene solutions providers, they are of course exhibiting at Middle East Cleaning Technology Week, or the Clean Middle East Expo within Middle East Cleaning Technology Week. I'm with Sherif Fahmy, the country director for UAE and GCC Indirect Channels. Sherif, thank you very much. Diversey, a $2.6 billion revenue generating company on a global level, but tell us about your activities here in the Middle East region.
Okay, thank you, Gareth, for hosting me first. Diversey is a global hygiene solutions provider, and so when it comes to the cleaning and hygiene, we have a full coverage. We have the complete platform, I will say, for anything related. In the Middle East, we are proud to be one of the leading industry players when it comes to whether it's hospitality, food service markets, retail, facility management. So we cater to all these sort of industries. We have solutions that cover flooring, surfaces, fabric care, food safety, indoor air quality, and so on and so forth.
I mean, just walking in your office here and even behind us here, we have a lot of powerful words which kind of tell us about Diversey's ethical values, your vision, the reason for being, I suppose. You're a very ethical company, aren't you? And you, of course, focus on sustainability. Why is that important?
Correct. And this is something I will say in our DNA. We are very proud of it. Our culture, and when we talk specifically about sustainability, sustainability is in the center of everything we do. And it is the core of our research and development. When you create a solution, I will say, that meets a customer requirement, it's not only important for that solution to work or to deliver results, it is very important for that solution to deliver on the long term as well as the short term.
And is this something that is market driven, or is this something that Diversey just feels is right for the environment? For example, let's talk about your customers and clients in the Middle East region as well. And obviously, sustainability and environmental impact reduction is a key sort of tenet of Diversey. But in the Middle East, do clients and customers, is that still part of their kind of purchasing decision? Do they want products that are sustainable and environmentally friendly, or is it about just cost, or is it about product life cycle? I mean, what are those kind of key sort of decision factors that your customers kind of consider?
It was not the case, I will say, but as we move forward, yes, sustainability became of a key importance, all right? And we are proud to be part of an environment that is maturing towards the importance or the understanding of sustainability and creating a greener or a healthier environment. It fits perfectly within our vision and our objective. And this is something that helped us to partner with all our customers and all our businesses to make sure that we deliver up to that expectation. When we talk about sustainability, there is something very important here, because people tend to think about sustainability or narrow the thinking about sustainability and bringing it to a very small scope. Some might think sustainability is only about having a green certified solution, for example, or have solution that will have less plastic waste or whatever. In our books as Diversey, sustainability is about eliminating waste in all shapes and forms.
And what is the mindset in the Middle East when it comes to cleaning hygiene solutions?
When it comes to cleaning and hygiene solutions, I will say that in the past we could see some bit of saturation in terms of the cleaning technologies and the solutions in the market. But I think 2-3 years ago we could start seeing that there is good maturity and understanding and knowledge and experience gain towards how we can do better, how can we develop, how we can be more efficient, how we can be more effective. And our customers and our partners are always about how can they have the perfect recipe, the perfect package, all right? So it is not either or. It is not either you have a cost-effective solution or have a sustainable solution. We feel sorry today that there are some companies in the market that they market it as such. So they will market the sustainable solution on a very high price. If it's not budget friendly or cost effective, then it's not sustainable.
From environment to technology, because Diversey has their Internet of Clean element within your sort of portfolio. Tell us about that and what it means.
The Internet of Clean is a platform we developed in order to deliver a complete awareness and a complete management and embracing knowledge to our customers. We believe what gets measured gets managed, right? And in the end, the more you know, the more you can manage. So you will never know in your operation if you are spending too much on water or spending too much on electricity, or if there is a scope that you can save or optimize somewhere, unless you have data. So our Internet of Clean is the Internet of Things, but focused on our industry to manage big data and give you a real-time access to what you can manage and what you can optimize.
I guess that also plays into the sustainability thing, because as you're measuring the data, you're measuring performance, impact.
Exactly.
Everything sort of ties into each other,
Exactly.
doesn't it? Expo 2020 is under a year away now. Well, actually just over a year. In October 2020, it will be coming to our shores for the very first time, this mega event in the Middle East. There must be some considerable opportunities for the hygiene sectors around hospitality, but of course the actual event itself, but all the peripheral services. What does it mean for Diversey, and what do you anticipate that will happen as a result of this?
For Expo 2020, I will say it is the light at the end of the tunnel, right? Not for only Diversey, for all the industries. It will be a great opportunity. The demand coming from that, because we know very well that in those 6 months or even more, the population will increase because we'll have the visitors coming for the expo and so on. And then as a consequence, the requirement will increase. The Expo 2020, I tend to think of it, it will be as a competition, and it will be the survival of the fittest, because companies need to deliver their best, push themselves to the limit, to make sure that you are delivering in par with the Expo expectations. Expo about sharing latest technology, new innovations, and companies should be in line with that.
And what is Diversey doing to be ready for the Expo 2020?
Our R&D team is pretty much busy, and we will be having interesting technologies and innovations. We started already, and you might heard about our robotic technologies that started to come into the market. And certainly this is not it's just the start. We are not stopping there, but certainly we will make sure that we also be in line with the Expo expectations.
We're going to go into Middle East Cleaning Technology Week and Clean Middle East Expo, and particularly around the robotic technologies, because I know you're going to have some pretty exciting stuff at the show. But let's talking about your sort of business model at the moment and the advent of rentals and the rental market coming now in the hygiene solutions industry. I know that you have established 2 rental modules. Can you care to elaborate on that and the sort of the advent of the rental market at the moment? Is it something that's kind of increasing for importance at Diversey?
That's correct. So the rental module, we have established that a few years back, and it was as a response to the foreseen cash flow restrictions in the market. And we have multiple of rental module options, and it's mainly focused on the capex part, because the capex is the major part where the investment comes in. And for our line of business, when we talk capex, we talk about the floor care machines or the mechanical wear wash machines, And for that, we have multiple of options when it comes to rental module that can help our customers and partners to ease the initial investment a bit, right? And that can be a financial or operating lease. We have both of them. We also have a buyback option if you are managing an operation for a specific or short period of time. So this is something that we can offer as well.
Right, let's get into the details of Clean Middle East Expo and Middle East Cleaning Technology Week. I know that you've got some pretty exciting stuff planned for the show.
As every year, Clean Middle East we consider it as the annual gathering with our customers and partners. We are very excited to meet everyone under one roof, and this is a great opportunity for us. As every year, we will have innovations there for sure. So to name a few of our innovations, so our robotic floor cleaning machine will be back again, because I think it fits the time where now the artificial intelligence as a concept started to mature in the market, and hence our swing about 2000 will be there, and it will have live demonstrations as well. We have also our new range of vacuum cleaners, which we call it the silent vacuums. No noise, no compromise on the operation, and it delivers with the lowest nominal consumption, which is again contributes to the environment. And we have a waterless floor care solution. It caters to any kind of ceramic, marble, all types of floor without the need to use a chemical, just water, and the job will be done under the brand Twister.
And to what extent will these, for example, vacuum cleaners and the robotic cleaning machines, will they be Internet of Clean enabled?
That's a good question. So basically, the robotic floor cleaning or the autonomous floor cleaning machines is just one element from the Internet of Clean. So in Internet of Clean, we have several solutions. The robotic floor cleaning solutions is one element under the floor care part. So those machines are also equipped and connected to the cloud, where you can get and communicate with the machine, all right, real time. You can access from whatever device you're holding, a smartphone or an iPad or a tablet or whatever. And it is part of the internet. It's a strong element of the Internet of Clean.
Sherif, thank you very much for your time. We'll see you at
Thank
Clean
you very
Middle East.
much, Gareth. Thank you.